What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will take a look at the Fortnite. So as we all know, Fortnite is banned from iOS App Store. So in this video I will teach you all how to download Fortnite right now. Yes, the Fortnite app is banned but we can still download it, and in this video I will teach you all how to do it. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video. What you have to do is go to this website smmsky.co, and after going into this website, what you have to do is click on the search tab and then search for Fortnite, Fortnite. So after searching for Fortnite, there will be multiple results, but you have to download the Fortnite mobile. So what you have to do is now click on it, and after clicking on it, it will start injecting. And what you have to do here is just click on start injecting. When you will click on start injecting, it will take you some time, but trust me, it is worth it. It is not any scam or whatever, but it is really worth downloading. So let me fast forward this part. Right, so after you do it, now comes the main part. So what we have to do is now install these apps for human verification, and this is not any scam. Again, I'm again saying it. I will show you all that it worked for me. And what you have to do is install these app for at least, and open this app for at least a minute, and be sure that your phone's battery is above 50%. For some reason I have tried again and again and it worked when my battery is at 80%. So please let me know if it worked for your because it worked for me, so it may work for you too. So be sure to comment down below and like this video if you do end up liking this video. Subscribe to this channel for latest tech info. Till then, peace out.